Yo guys, so the food came out and damn man, looks bomb. Look at all that. Hey, what's up everybody? I am on my way to work today and I was getting pretty hungry, so I thought I'd leave early, go get something to eat before I go to work. And I was just on Yelp and I found this place called the Sandbox. So I've never been here. I just drove past it like a million times, but I never saw the sign and wondered what the heck that was. So I just came by, I saw it on Yelp and I thought, dang, they got some tacos and they got some protein bowls, and I was just like, I need to have some. So that's why I'm here today. I'm trying it out. They closed in like 30 minutes I think, so I came real quick right before they closed. Yo guys, so the food came out and damn man, it looks bomb. Look at all that. So first, actually, I just want to try out the little taco right there, man. Look at that. And it looks like the tortillas are like homemade too, so that's pretty good. You know that cream sauce that they got on there? That's good. Oh my god. And they got a set that's like 3 of them with some rice and beans, I think. That's worth it. That's pretty good. And the thing too is that tortilla is so nice and fresh. I feel bad. I feel like I should have just gone 3 tacos. This is heavy, guys. This is heavy. Right there. It's like $9 or $10 for this thing, and I feel like it's really worth it, guys. Some good fresh food. Like eating it right now, I don't feel like I'm eating something greasy. I don't feel like I'm eating something like fattening. And the rice is good. Salsa verde is also really good. Not too spicy, just adds a lot of flavor to it. What's cool is that they got a lot of corn in here. And I don't know what people's opinion on corn is, but if I get a taco bowl, I love me some corn. It just adds a nice little texture to it. There are also places this needs more people talking about it. Otherwise, you know, no one will ever find it. And so I'm glad that I came here so I can make a video about it, because I feel like more people need to try out this food. This is really good. They're also on Grubhub, so if you can't make it out, you can do delivery. Crazy, because I don't know how long I've been eating, but I still have half of the bowl available. That's pretty good. That's a good thing, because that means like this is money well spent. I'll happily pay $10. I got the taco, a drink, and this for let's say like a medium-sized drink. All this for 18 bucks. And I'm gonna say like this is worth it to me. I don't know about you guys, but probably pay 18 bucks for all this. It's funny, I feel like I found like a new, well, if I can make it in time, a new lunch spot. For sure. Yo, so that was it, guys. That was amazing. That was pretty, I'm like shocked. I'm like really shocked because I never heard of this place. I always drive by, but I never like noticed that it was here, stuff like that. And I didn't expect to have like that good of a street taco just in the middle of Rancho Mirage, but there it is. There it is, the Sandbox. And the guy who worked there, he's only there for like a week. I think he has his own business, so I'm gonna just boop, shout out right there for that business. Check him out on Instagram, Sandbox Kitchen. They also do like catering for the tacos, so if you ever need like tacos, they got your back on that. Yeah, guys, just check it out. It's right across the street from the Eisenhower Medical Center, the hospital. It's just, this place is really bomb. So yeah, I think that'll be it for me today. And you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and then come back next week to check out what I'm having for my next bite. Peace. Later.